Welcome back to Next Gen, where we bring the latest innovations and tools to level up your digital experience. Today, we dive into the realm of AI-powered assistants with a review of the crown jewel, Harpa AI. Get ready to uncover the secrets behind the Chrome extension that's revolutionizing the way we work and browse. Imagine having your very own personal AI assistant at your fingertips, seamlessly integrated into your Chrome browser. With Harpa AI, you can supercharge your productivity, enhance your learning capabilities, and unlock a world of possibilities. But the question remains, how does Harpa AI truly transform your digital journey? Let's embark on this exciting adventure together and unveil the extraordinary features that make Harpa AI a game changer. Before we delve into the features, let's quickly walk through the installation process. Setting up Harpa AI is a breeze if you already have ChatGPT. If you already have a ChatGPT account and a Chromium-based browser, simply install a Chromium-based browser like Google Chrome, head to the Chrome Web Store, and claim your free Harpa AI extension. Once installed, log into your ChatGPT account, and voila! Harpa AI is now ready to assist you right within your browser. You can summon its power by using the convenient keyboard shortcut Alt-A. If you see a chat window at the bottom of your screen, you're all set. Alright, let's kickstart our adventure by diving into one of the coolest features of Harpa AI. Imagine this. You're browsing the web, looking for information on Google or any other search engine, and bam! Right there, alongside your search results, Harpa AI pops up with instant answers generated by its brilliant AI brain. It's like having your very own super smart sidekick guiding you through the vast sea of information. Need to fact check something real quick? Or crave a lightning fast answer to a burning question? Harpa AI has got your back with on-demand knowledge at your fingertips. Say goodbye to endless scrolling and hello to instant enlightenment. It's an invaluable tool that enhances your browsing experience and eliminates the need for endless searches. Eager for more knowledge on the world of AI? Why not subscribe to our channel? We bring you new tools and news on a weekly basis, and you will never run out of valuable content. Now let's dive into the mind-blowing capabilities of Harpa AI. When it comes to monitoring data on web pages, picture this. You're eagerly waiting for that awesome product to make a comeback or for that sweet price drop. But hey, why waste precious time and energy constantly refreshing the page? With Harpa AI by your side, you've got yourself a personal web assistant that does this job for you. It vigilantly keeps an eye on the web page, scanning for any changes, and the moment something exciting happens, bam, you get an instant notification. It's like having your very own web-savvy superhero, saving you from the mundane task of hitting that refresh button. Time and effort saved. You can focus on the things that truly matter to you. Time is gold, my friend, and we all know that sinking feeling when faced with a never-ending video or lengthy article. But fear not, because Harpa AI is here to save the day with its mind-blowing summarization skills. Imagine this. You're watching a YouTube video that seems to be going on forever, or you stumble upon a lengthy article that threatens to devour your precious time. Well, worry no more. Just ask Harpa AI for the key takeaways, and it will whip up a concise summary for you in no time. It's like having a shortcut to the juiciest bits of information, saving you valuable time and ensuring you stay in the know. Say goodbye to information overload and hello to efficient knowledge consumption. Now, get ready to have your mind blown by Harpa AI's jaw-dropping reply feature. Sick and tired of spending endless hours crafting those email and message responses? Well, guess what? Harpa AI has got your back. This brilliant assistant not only analyzes the text, but also conjures up a complete response for you. Yep, you heard it right. It can dish out agreements, disagreements, crack jokes, show empathy, and so much more. It's like having a witty and empathetic AI buddy who's got your communication game on point. And here's the best part. You can even fine-tune the response using advanced options or simply copy and paste it directly. Harpa AI makes communication a breeze, letting you save precious time and brainpower for the things that truly matter. Get ready to have your mind blown because Harpa AI is about to unleash its epic writing prowess. Brace yourself, because this AI wizard can tackle a wide range of writing tasks, like a boss. Need a killer resume that grabs attention? Harpa AI's got you covered. How about a persuasive cover letter that lands you the dream job? No sweat for Harpa AI. And let's not forget about crafting top-notch Quora answers, dropping inspirational quotes like a pro, or even penning those captivating blog posts. With Harpa AI by your side, expressing your ideas becomes a breeze. It's like having a writing genie that effortlessly turns your thoughts into professional, attention-grabbing pieces. So unleash your creativity and let Harpa AI work its magic. If you enjoyed our video, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button to stay notified each time we post. Trust us, we are bringing some bangers real soon. In conclusion, Harpa AI is an exceptional tool that has left an indelible mark on me as a tech and AI reviewer. Its ability to provide instant answers, monitor web data, summarize content, facilitate communication, and enhance writing is nothing short of remarkable. It pushes the boundaries of what we thought was possible, empowering users to navigate the digital realm with unparalleled ease and efficiency. If you're looking to optimize your browsing experience, streamline tasks, and unlock your full potential, I wholeheartedly recommend embracing the power of Harpa AI. It's a game changer that will revolutionize the way you work, communicate, and consume information. Ready to harness the power of Harpa AI? Install the extension and experience a new level of productivity. And if you made it this far, tell us in the comments what you think of Harpa AI, and if you're already using it. While you're there, why not leave a like to help out our channel? It means a lot. Thanks for joining us in another video. And if you want to hear what's been cooking between the United States of America and China around AI, make sure you check out our next video.